Hi, my name is Dr. Leticia Vargas, and I am a medical doctor and have an MBA. And I've been a medical OBGYN for the last 22 years, where I take care of both obstetrics patients and gynecological patients. During my training, we had huge disparities of patients because we knew that the hormone therapy was removed from women who were having menopausal symptoms. And I knew it was very detrimental for their care. So when I had the opportunity to join Winona and be a part of the family, I realized that this was a great opportunity to be able to provide medical care for women who had previously been neglected and have not had the medical treatment they needed to live happy, healthy lives. And therefore, I continue to be able to provide medical care for patients who live in under-resourced areas, rural areas, and other areas where they don't have gynecological specialties to be able to provide evidence-based medicine and treatment for those symptoms that they have. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy being part of medical mission trips and helping with the formation of medical students and their future training as future physicians. And I am enjoying my ability to be able to help women such as you feel happy and healthy and live lovely, productive lives in the postmenopausal state.